Welcome to our channel. If you received a US Bank ReliaCard for your unemployment benefits and need to activate it, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using your card. Step 1. When you receive your US Bank ReliaCard in the mail, read the activation instructions included with the card. You will need the card in hand to complete activation. Step 2. Call the activation number printed on the sticker attached to your card. The number is typically 1-855-2826-161, but verify the number on your card as it may vary by state. Step 3. Follow the automated prompts to activate your card. You will be asked to enter your card number, which is the 16-digit number on the front of your Relia card. Step 4. You will also be asked to enter your social security number and date of birth for verification purposes. This ensures that only you can activate the card. Step 5. Create a personal identification number or PIN for your card. Choose a 4-digit PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious numbers like your birth year or 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 6. Confirm your PIN by entering it again when prompted. Make sure both entries match. Step 7. Once your PIN is set, your Relia card is activated and ready to use. You can use it to make purchases anywhere Visa debit cards are accepted, withdraw cash at ATMs, or transfer funds to your bank account. Step 8. To manage your card, download the US Bank ReliaCard mobile app or visit the ReliaCard website. You can check your balance, view transactions, set up alerts, and transfer funds to your bank account for free. If you have any issues activating your card, call US Bank ReliaCard customer service at 1-855-282-6161 for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.